Hi everyone, and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our trading plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. If you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new report on a low float Nasdaq biotech stock trading just under 70 cents. According to FinViz, the float is only 3.4 million shares. To get the full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. And guys, last night I covered 13 Chinese and Hong Kong low floaters for you guys. Of those, only 2 were up. Remember what I say over and over on this channel, play green, not red. The stocks I cover are to go on your watch list and then jump on the ones that are green. If it's red, stay away. I can't stress that enough. And none of this is financial advice. It's just educational purposes with the goal to help make you a better trader and investor. All these pumpers on FinTwit that are pumping stocks are only covering their winning ideas. They don't want to talk about the losers, but I do. That is how you learn. It's not just about winning stocks. Anyone can get lucky and pick a winner. The key to being a successful long-term investor is avoiding the losers. Not all are going to be winners, but I am covering in my videos how to avoid these losing stocks. Remember, all it takes is one big loser and your account is wiped out. This is why I preach you have to play that momentum. And if you would have followed this momentum strategy, it would have had you in BAOS today up 216% and MTC up 29%. And this is the 15 minutes, so you can see that momentum that I'm talking about. And what did I say last night about BAOS? This has just a 360,000 share float. 6% of that float was already short. The company has solid fundamentals, no debt, and $8 per share in cash. But still, these are just trades. These are not buy and hold investments. You want to buy and hold, go buy AMC and enjoy the camaraderie of being a bag holder. But all joking aside, if you want to buy and hold, go buy the SPY or a big cap tech name. Small caps are just for day trading and holding for a few days to a week max. This is this market right now. Either the play works or it doesn't, and you move on. And there were some big runners, though, that I didn't cover in last night's video. They just started catching a bid after the market opened and then rallied into the close. GDC was a 10x play. Congrats if you caught any of this move. And like I said last night, sign up for StockTwits, and you can see what names are going into rankings. You just go and click into rankings and you can see what is trending, what is most active, and which ones are gaining the most watchers, so getting the most eyeballs. So just go and sign up. It's free. We're not affiliated in any way. And that's how I found GDC today. GDC is a small cap, a Chinese small cap with just a 960,000 share float and no news. And what did I say last night? Just because a Chinese stock has a low float didn't mean it was going to run. You had to be watching FinTwit, social media, and StockTwits for me is the easiest because it's right there. It's not like I have to go and follow one follower or a list or whatever. It's right there. It's telling you trending. It's at the top of the trending list. It started right after the opening bell, and it just signaled to you that, hey, people were watching this one. The stock started running, and that's how I jumped on it. And most active people, I feel bad for everyone in FRC, but again, everyone's there just trying to camaraderie, just figure out where they went wrong and whatever. But I feel for you guys. But it was the most active, and then also GDC was gaining, has the #1 most watchers. So again, it was all there on StockTwits today, and I covered it more in last night. And this, I like this post on StockTwits. Watching these China pump and dumps are legendary. Yes, these are pump and dumps. You have to call it like it is. There's rumors, there's Chinese phone rooms going on. I don't know. There's just a lot of rumors going on. But like I said, once it gets the social going, that's where the play is. That's when people jump on it, and you can get in, get off, ride that wave, play that momentum. And you have to play the pump and get out before the dump, because look at which one here. Some names were dumping after hours. UTME closed at 216 or 220. We're trading $1.50 after hours. Look at LEJU. Pump, dump. So again, that's what's going on. SNTG. This is the open here. Opened around 350, ran all the way to 950, round trip. So it just basically, look at this. So this is the pump, and then this is the dump. You got to learn to play this chart pattern. Ride that pump, get out before the dump, and do not be dip buying. These are not dip buys. But in addition to tomorrow's low float Nasdaq biotech stock, some names that I am also watching right now include HOUR, no news, momentum play after hours. OST, this is a $1 China stock with just a 6.9 million share float, getting some attention after hours. ATXG, this is another China name bidding higher after hours, but the float is not that small at 33 million shares. So again, but this one has spiked last week to $1.65. Looks like they're trying to spike it again in the after hours. ZVSA, this is a Nasdaq biotech out with a PR that they're offering closed. Dilution over, company is funded, raised $11 million, can run now. So ZVSA raised $11 million, just a $5.19 million market cap, trading here at 52 cents. My guess is they're going to try and push it over that $1 to be compliant with Nasdaq. So I think that's going to be the next push here in ZVSA. Lastly, guys, last but not least is IDEX, IDEX. What a blast from the past with this name. Speaking of bag holders, this stock has just absolutely laid out so many traders. I feel for them. Please, guys, don't fall in love with the small cap story. Almost always, it's just a story. Executing is so hard, and it takes top-notch management, for that to happen. But IDEX, it's trending again across FinTwit. So many have given up, and with almost 13% of the float short, the stock can squeeze, can make another run. The shorts here have made so much money that even if it runs to $1 from just under 5 cents, they still made money. So again, you can easily see a squeeze in IDEX. But remember, guys, a stock can always go lower or higher than you can imagine. Key is learning proper money management in your trading and investments. Forget the diamond hands, paper hands BS, and you will never ever catch all the move. I look at it when I trade. If I can catch a good chunk, I'm happy and move on. I will be incorporating more of these in the future videos. I'm trying to, every video trying to give you a nugget of wisdom for whatever it's worth, educational purposes only, not financial advice. But, play that momentum, do not dip buy. Right now small caps are heating up. Sentiment is positive. People are reading Wall Street Bets again, seeing winners like Top last week go 10x, GDC today. This will bring a lot of traders in. A lot of people left the markets last year, and stories like this will bring them back in. So yes, I am bullish and feeling great. We here at InsiderFinancial.com will always be looking for that next big runner and covering the latest small cap news so you guys know what's going on, and most importantly, why a stock is running. Our goal here is to educate and help make you guys better traders and investors. And if you want our report on a Nasdaq biotech trading under 70 cents with a low float, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. You can even sign up to read the report and unsubscribe. No spam, info never shared, unsubscribe anytime. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation of buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great night and trading day tomorrow. Bye-bye.